Hey, this is Anisha. You're watching CS Adda, so let's get started.
So guys, every one of you has often noticed that there is a link given in a web page, and when you click on that link you are often taken to another page. Okay, so how is this possible? Today I will show you. Now this is done using the anchor tag in HTML. Okay, so what is the anchor tag? First of all, let me create a web page. Okay, so I have created a web page named first web page, and then I have added everything else and the body also. Now inside the body I will write say this is my first web page. Okay, now I will create another web page. Okay, so inside that web page I will write this is my second web page. Okay, now what I want to do is there will be a link in my first web page. When I click on that link I will be taken to my second web page, and again there will be a link on my second web page. When I click on that link I will be taken back to my first web page. Okay, first let me save it as, okay, second web page. Okay, make it as html file dot html, and I saved it. Okay, now I go to my first web page. Okay, now here I will take an anchor tag inside which I will write go to second page. Okay, and then I close the anchor tag. The tag for anchoring is a. Okay, now inside I have, what I have done here, I have taken an anchor tag and inside it I have written go to second page. Okay, this go to second page is what is written on the screen. Okay, by clicking on that you will be taken to the next web page. Okay, but how will I haven't yet linked any file. Okay, I haven't yet linked my second file to this file. Then how will I link it? For that I need the href attribute. Okay, in anchor tag there is an attribute called href. In that href I will add the path of the second web page. Okay, now I will add the path of the second web page. So I will add second web page dot html. Okay, so I have added the path of the second web page. Now here I have added the relative path. Okay, because my second web page and this first web page is in the same directory. Okay, both of the files lie in the same directory. That's why I haven't given the entire path. Okay, if you want you can give the entire path. Okay, but since it is in the same directory, so I have just given the relative path. Okay, when I'm writing this page name, it will automatically understand that I want to go to the second web page file, which is inside my current directory. Okay, if the directory is different then you have to write it accordingly. Okay, you have to give the path. Okay, actual path. Now if you see the first web page, now I have saved it, and then I, okay, you see here this link has come, and it is written go to second page. Okay, now in the second web page similarly I will take an anchor tag again and write back. Okay, here in the href I will give the path of the first web page. Okay, now let's see. Okay, so when I'm clicking on this second web page, I am taken to the second web page. Okay, see, this is my second web page, and now when I'm clicking on back, I am taken to the first web page again. Okay, so this is how hyperlinking is done in HTML. Okay, now this second web page is opening in the same window. Okay, in the same tab. Okay, so for that, I want that the second web page will be opened in another tab, in a new tab. Okay, for that, what I have to do, I will have to add another attribute and write underscore blank over here. Okay, now there are many other values of the target attribute, but for now you will know only the blank. Other values you will know it when I will teach you frames. Okay, for now you know that there are two values. One is self is that when you give self, which is the default value, the new web page opens in the same tab. Okay, but when you give blank, the new web page opens in the new tab. Okay, now when I'm doing this, now see, my new web page has opened in the second tab. Okay, this is my first tab and this is my second tab. Okay, now when I'm clicking on back, it will open in the same tab, because in the second page I haven't changed anything. Okay, till now we have seen how to go to another page. Okay, how to write the link so that when you click on that link, you will go to another page. Now it happens sometimes that you want to go to a particular place, to a particular area of a page. Okay, maybe you want that there should be a link where you are suppose you are at the bottom of the page. Okay, now you want to go to the top of the page, but you don't want to scroll, because scrolling, it's a very long page, and if you want to scroll it, then it will be a tedious task. Okay, but you want a link at the bottom of the page, for which by clicking on which you want to go to the top of the page. Okay, so for linking a particular area of a page, what should we do? For that, we should use the name attribute of anchor tag. Okay, for example, here I want that I have written 5 paragraphs. Okay, now I want at the end of the fifth paragraph, there should be a link by clicking on which I will be targeted to the first paragraph of the page. Okay, so what will I do? In the first paragraph, I will take an anchor tag, and then I will write name, say I will give it anchor. Okay, then I'll close the tag, and now in my link, in the I have taken a link, go to first. Okay, and I have given the href as the same page. Okay, second web page, same page, it will be targeted. But now I will do is I will write hash anchor over here. So what will it do? This will only target the link to the second web page .html and the area which is named as anchor. Okay, so what happens now? See, okay, so this is my web page. Okay, now if I go click on the go to first, see, I am taken to the first paragraph of the second web page. Okay, so this was all about links. For more videos, please subscribe to CS Adda. Thank you.